How often does Arab brush his teeth? When Arab brushes his teeth every day, we say Arab always brushes his teeth. Now, when he doesn't brush teeth on any day, then we say Arab never brushes his teeth. And when he brushes only on Sunday, we say Arab rarely brushes his teeth. Same for when he brushes on Sunday and Monday. And when he brushes his teeth on Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, we say Arab sometimes brushes his teeth. And when he brushes for 4 days, same we use sometimes, and Arab sometimes brushes his teeth. When Arab brushes 80% of times, we say usually or often. Arab usually brushes his teeth. When Arab brushes all day except one, then we also say Arab usually brushes his teeth. And when Arab brushes his teeth all day, then we say Arab always brushes his teeth. Now, we use always when something is happening 100% of time. For example, Sita always drinks milk in the morning, and usually for normal routines, we usually take the bus to school. Often is used when something look happens for 60%. Pasha often plays football after school. Next is sometimes I sometimes eat ice cream on Saturdays. Rarely means almost never. It rarely rains in Mustang. Never means it has no chance to happen or 0% frequency. We say good students never cheat in exams. Next one, where do we place adverbs of frequency in a English sentence? Look, before the main verb, subject plus adverb plus main verb. For example, Maya always helps her mother. They never arrive late. We are using adverb just before main verb. And rule 2, after the verb to be means is and are. For example, Pasang is always happy. We are sometimes busy on Saturday. For 100%, we say always, 80% usually, 60% often, 50% sometimes, 10% rarely, 0% never. Okay, we will practice some questions. Students sing Soyotunga every morning in the assembly. It means 7 by 7 days. Students in Nepal, blah blah, sing the national anthem at the morning assembly. Pause the video and comment the correct answer below. Very good. Always sing the national anthem at the morning. Scenario 2. Does it snow in Viradnagar or Chittagong? Okay, again, pause the video and comment below the answer. Very good. It never snows in the Tarai region of Nepal. Next question. Hari gets up early every day without fail. Now, comment below the correct answer. Hari, very good, always gets up early. Where is the adverb placed? Very good. See, sometimes it's mamas on Sunday. Next one. Which is correct sentence? Choose correct sentence. Ram is always kind. Ram always is kind. Always Ram is kind. Ram kind always is. Very good. Ram is always kind. Last question. Which word means 0% frequency? Very good. Never means 0% frequency. Thank you and congratulations for completing this lesson.